After the intense battle of Pokemon Journeys episode 124 between Ash Surface, Ash Dracovish and Ash Lucario with Sinnoh Queen Cynthia, now we are having a lot of trouble regarding Pokemon Journeys episode 125, thinking why Cynthia uses Gigantamax Togekiss instead of using her Mega Garchomp. Why she had not used Mega Garchomp? Because Mega Garchomp is the most powerful and Cynthia's ace. So why she didn't use Mega Garchomp? Instead she decided to use her Dynamax Togekiss. For getting that reason, we will find that out in today's episode. So hello everyone, myself Pokis Creation, and in today's video we are gonna talk about why Cynthia used Dynamax or Gigantamax Togekiss instead of using her ace Garchomp, and what would be the result of the battle between Ash and Cynthia in Pokemon Journeys episode 125. We are gonna talk about that. So let's get started. After watching Pokemon Journeys episode 124, where we have seen the real power of Surfetch and Dracovish, although it was not that much good, but still, seeing their past history, they were the real MVP. Ash Lucario and Cynthia's Togekiss. At the ending, we saw Cynthia's Gigantamaxing her Togekiss instead of using Mega Garchomp. That was totally shocking for everyone. But what was the reason of not using Mega Garchomp? Instead she used Togekiss. The one reason everyone has in their mind was number one, because Cynthia's Mega Garchomp has taken a lot of damage from Surfetch Meteor Assault. Maybe that's why she decided to not use Mega Garchomp, because although Mega Garchomp is her ace, but he was at half of HP. So that's why she used her Mega Gigantamax Togekiss. Number two, which I think that is plot armor, or you can say Cynthia's strategy to say correctly. Why? Because think about it. It's Pokemon Journeys Ash vs Cynthia Grand Finale, where Cynthia have her two Pokemon left, that is Garchomp and her Togekiss, and Ash having his only left Pokemon, that is Lucario, his overpowered Lucario. Now, if you were in Cynthia's place, what you have thought? That what you have done? Think about your Garchomp, or you have used your Togekiss. Obviously, there is the point that you have used Togekiss, and the main reason for that is the writers don't want to mess up her Garchomp. Of course, they have played with every players in Pokemon Journeys. Players means I can say all the trainers, that is Pokemon champions, Pokemon Elite Four trainers, or anyone. But they don't want to mess up Cynthia. Why? Well, the reason is clear. If they are messed up, think about it. If just by the friendship power of Mega Lucario with Ash, if Ash has won the battle and his Garchomp has lost the battle even after being Mega Evolved, do you think fans would be happy with that? Instead, the journeys would be rated less than I think 1 rating. It's very obvious, because what they have done till now is just unforgivable, at least for me. I don't know about you all. Well, all these problems and issues, they have chosen a very simple but a between way to defeat Cynthia and make her retire from the battle after being defeated by Ash Lucario. Now, after watching Pokemon Journeys episode 125 review, we can see clearly that Lucario is definitely struggling, and I'm very happy that at least once Lucario is struggling. Otherwise, it's all about just one Kyodai Max or a Sphere, and the match is over. And yes, let's see whoever win the match. Of course, Ash is gonna win the match. Why? Because it's simple. Cause of you can say plot armor, but yes, of course his goal is to beat Leon. And if he can't beat Cynthia, then how will he battle even Leon? It's not possible, right? So that's why he will win the battle. Maybe just in 1 HP left, just like any other battles, but he will definitely win the battle. And after that maybe Cynthia will retire, but I don't think. Let me give you one more hint. Cynthia won't retire. I am definitely sure. At least you can say I am 55% sure that she won't retire. Why? Maybe she will think that she needs to learn more about Pokemon, because she can't defeat Ash. That who have thought that a kid of 10-year-old age can be able to beat Cynthia, the Sinnoh Queen herself, who has we have never seen her being defeated, not a single time, at least on screen in any battle, whomever she has gone against. So yes, that's why maybe she can think that she has a lot of more learn to do. She needs more experience so that she can be again an unbeatable trainer or something. Because remember, I want you all guys to remember this image. As you can see here, Cynthia told Diantha that she will not disappoint her, and this will be the best battle she will ever fought. And maybe after losing Ash, she thought that she can think that this was not her best battle and she needs to improve. So after that, Cynthia will decide to again participate, and of course again to beat Leon, because we can see clearly in episode 124, she also stated that she will be the one who will beat Leon, not Ash. So maybe, just maybe, I am hoping that Cynthia will not retire. So what are your thoughts about the video? Let me know in the comment section. Also, do like, share and subscribe if you want such more amazing content. Let me know in the comment section about if you want to make other videos just like this in the near future. Also, do check out all the videos link in the description, and you can check from the playlist section about my all other videos. Also, and those who don't know, I have my own Pokemon series named Pokemon Galarhide Rebornhide. Do check it out. So see ya, have a good day. Till Pokemon Journeys episode 125. Bye.